Okay, welcome to another Shop Talk. So no Shop Talk last week, and the reason was I've been at Grand Designs, as you may know if you follow me on Instagram, the Grand Designs trade show. So I did really well there, and also got some orders in from my other show, which is Worcestershire Guild. That's really good. So I've been all over the place trying to get the stock. I need specific sizes and widths of live edge or waney edge if you're in the UK, slabs of oak, and the next thing is I need to do is build a kiln. So you'll be following the kiln build as I start. I'm starting on Monday, and then I'll take you through the build of the kiln. And today we're finishing off the green oak frame building for myself. I've had the oak, if you follow me, you'll see in the yard. I had the oak taken to the wood yard, chopped up, some trees that I bought locally. Me and my friend Pete here, it's definitely a two-man job, the timber framing. You know I work on my own. So I'll give you a little bit of... there's not really an in-depth on building a green frame building because it's really simple. It's just 4 openings like a carport. Anyway, I'll show you what we're doing at the moment in the shop. It should be up tomorrow. The end of today, Sunday. It should be up today. Let's have a look. Okay, so this is my mate Pete. He's come to help out. Hey. And he's been doing all the plunging with this thing, which is absolutely epic. The brace is cut, similar to the brace I did before. This is the frame. Got these scarf joints here, cut, ready. I'll show you a bit of that. We borrowed the Maffel off of my friend Ranald. Awesome machine, chainsaw mortiser. That is the best machine we've got. What we've been doing here, it's been a nightmare. Working with green oak inside the workshop. Everything's rusted. As I showed you before, look at this stuff, and I've been putting WD on it. All the blades are thing. This one didn't get a wash last night. Look at it. Bit of green oak, should look more like that. Looks like that. Another video shortly to come is the new drill press. I can't believe it. I've finally got one. Me and my son will be sharing it. It's going to be some cool tops coming from Rui. Bit of metal, bit of woodwork for jigs and stuff. We'll be using that today to drill all of the holes in the green oak frame. So that's pretty cool. More on that in a couple of weeks when I get a chance to use it, maybe a month or so. Get a chance to use it, do a little one of my reviews. As always with my reviews, it's not going to be a technical thing on how this thing performs, because if you go onto YouTube, there's tons of people got some really good videos. I'm just going to give you a little bit how I use it and what I like about it. So my shop is not set up for green oak. It just knackers everything up, really. I don't really like working with it. But needs must, and this nearly getting there. So I'll show you a bit of that build. And then next week, it's just going to be a quick one next week. I wanted to show you some stuff I got from Banggood. This is what I'm going to show you, but I haven't used it myself, so I can't tell if it's any good or not yet. But I will have a go next week. So I've got this, which is kind of like a portable drill press, if you like, to keep your drill nice and square with these inserts. And this, again, for drilling, this sits on round or just gives you a drill guide, keep you nice and square. So if you were following me and I told you I was going to show you some Banggood stuff, there is other stuff. The reason I haven't done it yet is just because it's been crazy busy. But that's the bits I was going to show you. And there's a couple more I need to find. I'll put a link in the description for them. But you can watch the rest of that next week. Okay, so here's a little bit of the green oak building. Hope you enjoy it. I'll see you soon. Bye.